Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. Thanks for joining us. Here we will discuss about the nice algebra uh, problem, and um, there are plenty of stuff available in the YouTube, and especially the thing like this, which I have referred, and a special thanks to this video from Math Hunter. Yeah, it's a very great presentation, and in which it solves the equation and using two methods. The first method is this, the both are resulting in the same uh, answer, that is 81. Means the equation is equated and verified that both sides are equal to 81, right? So, let's try doing this in Excel, right? So here we are using the first method. What we would do, we would we would use the three cells like this, and the first cell will evaluate this function, the 3 raised to power x. We have already named this x k1. Wherever it is written x, it is actually k1. Why? Because on the k1 we put an x here, so we can refer x. So wherever we will type x, say equal to x, so it is going to refer to k1, right? So x is raised to 3 is raised to power x, right? And that is raised to power 1 oblique 2 to do away with this denotes the square root, right? The square root. You can also use it sqrt function, right? So that would also mean the same thing. Let me show you. If we, instead of using this technique, if we use, first of all, remember the number is 4.232, so the same result would come if you write sqrt, right? So that should come into the same, right? Instead of using the raised to power 1 oblique 2, you can use sqrt, right? Okay, but this is not, the second part is not sqrt, it is actually, raised to power 1 oblique 4 because it's the second position down. And the third is third position down, that will become 1 oblique 1 divided by 8, right? So this is how we resolve the roots, right? So these are the 3 points which we have made. We have the first cell. This is going to denote the outermost one, the root. The second one will be the middle one, yeah, middle, this one. But this time it will be a raised to power 1 oblique 4, not 1 oblique 2, right? And this is going to be raised to power 1 divided by 8, right? Not 1 oblique 4, because this is the third level, right? Okay, so this should become 81. So we have not typed 81 in here. We have multiplied all these things, and it should become 81, right? So let's make it 1. So it is not equal to 81, right? So we need to find out what is the x value such that this become, let's highlight it, such that this becomes 81. So this, our target is to make this 81, right? So let's go to the data and go to the what if analysis and proceed. And here we are going to set this cell to the value of 81, and we want changing of x, value of x, right? Okay, so here we can also type x, right? Okay, we click OK. So this is going to return you the value. Okay, so so 2.37 is the value of x. 2.37 is the value of x, and if we go to the video, yeah, this is our video. Hang on. If we go to the video in there, so this is our way. Hang on. Let me get back to the video. To go to the video, we can click this. So this is going to show you the video, right? And it has we quickly take you to the solution, which it has. Just to verify that Excel is at par with the solution presented here. This was first method, right? 8.3. 8.3, it is equal to 2.67, right? If we verify 8 oblique 3, so we say 8 oblique 3, this gives you 2.6667. So that is 2.67. It is matched, right? So it is the video is also showing another way of doing it. So first of all, it took this way, right? And the other way which it has adopted is this one, right? This was the first method. Now it comes to the second method, right? In which it is taking this route, right? Okay, so it is taking 3x out and then it is using all this. So let's come to this. So again, it is simplifying the same thing, taking all these uh, uh, steps, and in the end, it is going to result the x value as if we see the next screen is there, right? Yeah, and the next is yeah, this is the value of x. Okay? So 3 raised to power 3 oblique 2, and that so x is equal to 4.4 into 2 oblique 3 divided by 3. So that makes 8 oblique 3 again. Okay, so it's a nice presentation. I recommend you to please go through this interesting video, and Excel will give you another uh, way of verifying your solution, and it will tell you quickly what should be the answer, right? So X value is determined by means of goal C. Okay. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching. Uh, let's test ourselves about our learning. So there are the two questions we can answer. Goal seek in Excel is a tool that uh, helps you find the output value in a formula for which you already know the input, or helps you find the input value in a formula for which you already know the outcome or output, right? Yeah. So, or it helps you find the minimum value in a formula for which you already know that, or the maximum value in a formula. So the right answer is this. Okay. So let's go to the next question. The next question, goal seek is a tool located where? And a data analysis, yeah, and solver, no, okay, and data forecast and what if analysis, data forecast and what if analysis, and data analyze and data analysis, data analyze and data analysis, no, okay, or data analyze. So the right answer is data forecast and what if analysis. That is going to take you to the focus. So right answer is this. Hey, thank you very much for watching. See you in our next presentation.